Hey, so now let's talk about the CloudSearch. So CloudSearch is going to be a service that you have to set up, but it's managed by AWS services, and with it, you are going to be able to create a search solution. So CloudSearch, to put it like the very bluntly, is a managed alternative to Elasticsearch. Okay, yes, Elasticsearch. The difference is that the Elasticsearch is an open API, and so many people know how to use it, where the CloudSearch is going to be reserved for the AWS cloud, but probably gonna be a little bit simpler to manage and use. So on CloudSearch, what can you do? You can do some search based on free text on booleans, and you can even create functions to review some autocomplete suggestions or do some geospatial search. The architecture is extremely similar as Elasticsearch. So you have your DynamoDB table, and then you go into DynamoDB stream, and Lambda function will retrieve the data from DynamoDB stream and insert and index the data into Amazon CloudSearch. The benefits of doing this is that from CloudSearch, we can create an API to search for items that we want, and then once we have received the ID of these items, we can directly query DynamoDB to retrieve these items. So that's basically it. You can replace CloudSearch by Elasticsearch. It will be the exact same architecture. The only difference is that Elasticsearch will have an open API and CloudSearch a more AWS proprietary API. Okay, that's it for this lecture, and I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next one.